how to check Snapchat account public. So in this video you will learn how to check Snapchat account to public. So now open Snapchat app. After you open Snapchat, go to this profile. After you go to profile, go to settings. So from this settings, now make sure now you add your username and your full name. So now go back. So in this option now, tap on this public profile. So from this section now, if it is your first time checking your public profile on your Snapchat account, you cannot be able to see this option because I already turned on my public profile. That's why it has this cover photo, my profile picture, and my bio. So for the first time, if you open this option, you must go and tap on this button. So now you can go ahead now and add a cover photo. Just go ahead and search for a picture to add for your cover photo. Let's say for me, I'll just use this one again. After you select a picture, you can use your hand to resize the picture like this. So after you resize the picture, you can tap on this upload button like this. So from there you can tap on this apply. So now it apply. Now here is my cover photo. From there you can tap on this pencil icon. So now you can go ahead now and add a profile picture like this. After you add a profile picture, then you can tap on this time to add your bio. So you can tap on this option to add your bio. Then you can tap on this option to add your location, city, state, and country. After you finish adding all this information, make sure you turn on this option. By default, this option will be turned off. Show followers count. By default, it is turned off. So make sure you turn it on like this. So after you finish turning on like this, now go back. So now your public profile has been activated. That's it guys on how to check Snapchat public account public. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe.